go back over here to the important part. Over here. So we want to wipe off the oil. It shouldn't be where we want it to be. So the oil gets wiped off. Like that. And come back and goop up the area you want to, if you want. Important areas are where?
Around the holes where the gaskets touch.
Down here the thin parts are at. Nice mess. And up here at the top.
Yeah.
That's the key part. But you can go down the two sides too if you want. Mess again.
Very wasteful.
Yeah, I know. Put these two bolts in. For some reason, Harley never runs a flat washer in their lock, so just choose to pump up. Makes perfect sense to somebody. Of course, I'm not going to fix the problem because the washers overhang so much of that crap. You have to have special lay-in washers.
Yeah.
So I'd have to go actually all the way over there, and it's way, way, way the hell over there and get some.
Yeah.
It's too much work. I won't do that much work. Okay, so see how many clearance here?
Yeah.
Kind of split the metal.
It's very technical.
Now these ones are hard to get to when you put the cover on it. Now being hex, I can actually torque them down and put the cover on it, but with Allens you can't because these are right over the top of them. You put the bolts through here, don't push them through too hard, rip the gasket off. Like that. Line up the holes, drop it down. Make sure the washer gets tight. These bolts are pretty long. So I just go until it stops and make sure the washer's tight. So it's tight. That means it's going to tighten down. I didn't have to force it to get to tight, I just did it. But see how big the washers are?
Yeah.
See, S&S doesn't give a shit about what they look like. So you put the Gorilla torque on it. See, I can't get to those. Somewhere. Use this though. Somebody tightened these already.
Yeah.
I don't know who that was. There. It moved. Barely. Alright, it's on there. The EJ switch is supposed to go right here.
Perfect.
EJ doesn't go at a big angle like this though, but this one could if you wanted to. But EJ just goes straight out.
Yeah, I don't know if it'll work going straight out on mine, but it will at an angle.
You got a 4-speed, don't you?
I do, but I've got that crossover tube for the brake.
Oh, yeah, the switch is up higher on the... Well, we got one that goes up higher, so we'll just put this on there. Usually you don't have to do this, but this is for like FXR kind of crap. So we got the foot peg, all that crap through here.
Yeah, yeah.
So your bike, maybe you need it, so we'll go ahead and put it on. We own it, it's here. Might have put too much on there. Not that much, too much. Let's see, those are either 9/16 or ½ inch, I forget. It's not half.
Go with 9/16.
It's 9. So that's not tight enough. This one's getting tighter though. Okay, I don't know what angle we need it to be at, so we'll leave it over here someplace. We're getting away the motor mount.
Perfect.
So we'll bring it up a little higher. So we got the hose right here. Bring it back just a little bit. If that doesn't work, we can move it. And these appear to be tight, so I'm not going to dick with them. Alright, so that's there. This takes the 45 fitting out of here. That's I didn't put on it because it's very expensive and I didn't feel like putting it on it right now. So what do you have? You got a fitting?
I'm sure I do.
It takes a 45 that comes out, goes down. That's one of those $20 S&S fittings. I'll use your old one. It spins really free with that pump in there now.
Nice.
Maybe because it's not hooked up. It's not so free down there. Pretty tight actually. Alright, so here is our key. So it's a late shaft, so it takes one big one and one small one. So that one. These are the fat ones. Here's the thin ones here. Okay. So that would be an oil pump key.
Okay.
You drive with an oil pump key instead of a nice big fat key. A skinny key.
Little skinny key's about to fall out.
You also see it's hard to get in there too. It doesn't want to go. It's too far to get me to get in here with this very easily. Fuck. I knew it was going to do that. But I tried forcing anyway. Oh, it fell out.
Oh, it did.
I also pinched my finger really good too.
Oh, goodness.
Okay, where'd the key go? Damn, that hurts. Man, feel it. Where'd the key go?
Oh, there it is. It's on the ground.
It's gonna have to be on the floor someplace. Because it ain't where the motor is. Because that'd be a problem. 'Cause I'll have to hunt it till I find it. Fucker hurts. Okay, I don't want to go in there. Okay.
Plan B.
I don't like beating on the shaft, but it won't go the easy way. Do it the hard way. It's actually easy for me, it's just hard for the... It's harder on the motor because I'm beating on the shaft that I didn't want to beat on. See, it's real easy for me.
Yeah.
This time the bevel goes in. Come on, get in there. There it is. Pops out. Doesn't go in very well. Pushing my fingers, but I don't want to push on the sharp edges and cut you. There it goes.
All right. And look at that.
There's drag on the oil pump, so it's not like it's real easy to do. It's definitely got drag on that pump. See, it's kind of like it's free spinning. See,
Oh yeah.
it has drag in it. It'd be nice if it was free spinning, but it's not. There it goes. It's definitely got some drag on that pump, which means there's a lack of clearance on something. Very common on these aluminum pumps to have drag in them. So you want to make sure you lubricate your gears. They wear themselves out. See?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. All right, we'll be back.